this is gonna be the best Christmas.
What's that? Let me see it. Ooh, that was so bright. I didn't get your face. That's fine. I guess I should have lit up the Christmas tree, huh? Made it that much more funny.
Ooh.
What's that?
That's a little kitty necklace.
Ooh, that girl got a necklace.
I think this is frozen. Ooh. Gretchen got a frozen necklace with Anna Elsa.
Really?
Yeah. Well, I got a frozen necklace with Anna Elsa. Some more winter clothes.
Let me see what it is.
It's over here.
Let me see.
It's bright.
Oh, it is bright. Just put it to the side. We'll fix it. You got a lot more gifts to go. You can give me that one. That one mine. Actually, that one mine. I'll open mine later.
And the one that I gave you. Ooh.
Let me see.
Ooh.
Let me get in that picture, girl.
Cat in the hat.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, you like that, girl?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the real one.
It's the real one?
Yeah. I bet that's a movie. Yeah, I know.
What movie is it? Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
Ooh. I haven't even seen this one.
Good. Now you can go right in your room and watch it.
Ooh, soft. Yes, Ben. You want to take a picture of the stuff over here?
I am. Go ahead, just lay it over there. I'm going to take a picture of all of it. That's my bag. You don't have to worry about that one. Just push it over there with the rest of your stuff. Over here. Yeah.
So Christmas is today?
Mm-hmm. What is it? Ooh.
So Santa gave me these. I didn't even hear the door open.
Well, it opened because I did. And it woke me up.
For real?
Girl, you better keep opening those presents.
I would have to scoop it back so I could have some gifts, more space for my gifts. It's yours.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Open it up. Let me see. I bought you that.
Oh. What's this?
Hold it up and see.
Ooh. Ooh, it's a dress.
Mm-hmm.
This one is a dress, too. I thought it was a shirt. Ooh. You know I like flowers, too.
Mm-hmm.
I could be a hula girl.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Hold it up. Let me take your picture with it. Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of clothes in here, Mommy.
You got the best mommy ever.
Ooh.
Some leggings.
Ooh.
Oh, ain't that? Let me get that picture. Come on.
This one is so cute. Mommy,
Hmm?
you know that doggy picture that said, all I want for Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
And I did with a dog.
I know it.
They printed a real picture on the shirt.
Mm-hmm. I don't know why it's so dark.
Ooh. Don't make me more on that.
Mm-hmm. Come on, girl. You got a whole lot of more presents to open. Did you really want to stay asleep?
Not for real.
I know it. You just was tired.
Yeah, I'm tired. What's this?
I don't know.
It's up there. Hello Kitty.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah. Mom said Hello Kitty closet.
Let me see it.
Oh, I got a toothbrush.
That's the toothbrush holder thing. You keep that in the bathroom.
And I got the cup thing so I don't have to use those big cups.
Good.
Because I shall put one in.
I know you always do.
Now, this one. Ooh, something Hello Kitty again.
Do you like it?
Yeah. It scared me though.
I know it. This the first Christmas we didn't have nobody over here with us.
Right. Kaylee and them was over the last picture. And Kaylee said, don't wake me up no more. It's not Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
How many snowman things is it?
Mm-hmm. You going really slow?
This was better when I was 4.
Hmm?
This was better when I was 4.
It was better when you was 4?
Yeah.
Why? You liked everything you got when you was 4?
No.
You like everything now?
Yeah.
It gets better every year, Rainy. But that was for your other doll.
I should have kept it.
That's okay.
Right, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
I could get another
Yeah, you can get another one.
one. Ooh. Can American Girl dolls with this?
I don't know. We got to go to the American Girl doll store to see.
Ooh.
Why you ask me that? You don't even have no American Girl doll.
I'm talking about when I get one.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. It's gonna be a big pile behind, like it's a monster,
Mm-hmm.
a toy monster. This
Go ahead.
I get all dolls, Mommy.
You like that, right?
Yes. I'll go make Cinderella visit my Barbie dream house.
Really?
Yeah. Cinderella start with the C.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought it started with the S at first. Ooh. New underwear.
Mm-hmm.
And I can keep that forever. Well, not forever.
Right.
Those socks. Ooh. They pretty though. Ooh, this one came from Santa.
No, that one came from your Uncle Crow.
Oh.
What?
I ripped it.
That's okay. I wish you rip all of them open so you can hurry up. They cute.
I could wear that for a blending day.
Mm-hmm.
I keep getting shirts. This making my arm hurt though.
I know it.
These boxes making my arm hurt. Ooh. Ooh. And the saw. That's all.
Okay.
Let me get you guys from over here.
Okay, that's Papa and mine.
Or, here go good.
Grandma's.
Now this Kiara.
Oh, okay.
This for you. This for.
Rain, come on. We're running out of space on the camera. That's my box right there. Slide it over. Yeah. Next year, I'm not buying boxes. I'm just putting everything in one big box. Because I hate unwrapping boxes. It takes too long.
Yeah. Because it takes too long to get open. Ooh.
That's a necklace.
Ooh.
Let me see it.
Slinky thing. Ooh, it gave me a penny too.
It's a piggy bank. That's what it's telling you.
Oh. And it got the little bitty Hello Kitty slinky thing.
Come on.
Ooh, ball. Ooh.
You can leave those in there. Those will go inside that thing. Well, that's what was in there. When you put a coin in there, those pop out. So slide up that on back. Come on.
Ooh. Sophia, bowling. Like the bowling ball.
Mm-hmm.
I always wanted to bowl though.
Mm-hmm.
And when I go to the bowling alley, that's mine.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. I like this too.
That's mine.
That
Yeah, that's mine.
really? I just put it on that.
I know it.
Ooh.
Let me see.